First, you're going to smooth out the hair, and then like a normal braid, take 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. You're going to cross the right over the middle section, and then the left over the middle section. Now you're going to take hair from the top and add it to your right hand section. You're going to cross it over the middle. This is where the waterfall braid differs. You drop half of your left hand side section and cross the other half over the middle. Again, you're going to add hair from the top to your right hand section and cross it over the middle. Drop half of your left hand section and cross the other half over the middle. You are going to keep doing these steps until you reach your desired length for the waterfall braid. When you come to the end of your waterfall braid, you're going to want to smooth out the last piece. Then you take it and just braid it regularly down. Then you're going to want to twist it toward the person's head. Take a bobby pin, cross it down, take another bobby pin, and cross it up. So you're making an X so it will stay in better. Make sure that it's secure. When you have finished braiding and pinning the braid, you can either leave the hair straight or curl the pieces that are falling. I really like the curled look, so I'll show you a couple pictures of that. The waterfall braid is very versatile. You could wear it every day if you want to, or it's good for big events like a wedding. I did a waterfall braid to my sister's hair for a wedding, and here's a picture of it. It looks cute.